up, y'all? I'm Canine Cuisine, the smoke lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, we are cooking house popcorn. We talking about popcorn from back in the day when grandmama used to make that popcorn in the big brown Kroger paper bag you used to take to the summer twin to go watch the drive-in movie. We talking about popcorn just like that. I'm finna show y'all how to make this simple popcorn that's so bussin', it beat the movies to me. And I know some of y'all gonna be scared, but you know what? You gonna do it. You hear me? Yeah, man. I get to have a cooking show right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, not next year, but right now. Let's go through these ingredients for this house popcorn. We're talking about that good popcorn back in about 1976, 77. You know, grandmama making popcorn, or your mama making that good old popcorn with that greasy Kroger bag. You cut the top off, make it be about this tall with the popcorn in there and the butter and grease stains all on the outside that you take to the summer twin drive-in so you can have some good ass popcorn and you ain't got to spend all that money up there waiting on them to prepare the popcorn up there at the little whatever the concession stand. You already got your hot season how you want it to be. We finna make that right now. You hear me? We finna go through these ingredients. We're gonna have some regular old butter, good old stick of butter. We're gonna use about half of this. And let me tell you, this popcorn ain't healthy. So if you trying to be health conscious and you know I'm trying to watch my weight and my cholesterol and all that, this ain't for you. This is for people who they want to indulge on some good popcorn. And this that recipe for that. If you want to go on, get down in there and have some deliciousness, you know what I'm saying? You want to bring your company over, you know, invite your family and friends over. We're gonna replicate a movie night at the house. And this popcorn gonna beat their movie popcorn, I'm trying to tell you. So now that's out the way, we can go and get to these ingredients. So we're gonna have this butter. We got real butter here. Real, regular old butter. We're gonna put about half a stick of butter in this popcorn. And then we got this Orville Redenbacher movie theater butter. It's like a topping oil. It's kind of buttery, but not. But in combination with this butter, it's busting. I'm trying to tell you, it elevated, take it to a whole another level. And then of course we got, you know, the Orville Redenbacher popcorn seeds right here. You ain't got to use Orville Redenbacher, just use whatever you find, cause it's gonna be the same busting no matter what brand you use. Then we got avocado oil. Avocado oil kind of high, but it has a high smoke point. That's why I like to use it. Some people say that they like it because it's healthy, but it don't matter cause this popcorn gonna be unhealthy whether you use avocado oil or not. We trying to go for deliciousness and not health this time, just letting you know. And then we got some diamond crystal salt. So you know, with this salt, you can be real generous with your seasoning. You ain't gotta be scared because it ain't that salt. It take a lot of diamond crystal salt in order to make something too salty. So these are all the ingredients you need right here for this popcorn. It's gonna be so bussin' and it's gonna beat the movie theater popcorn, in my opinion. It's just gonna go on kill it right there. So these are the ingredients. Let me get set up so we can cook this popcorn and you can have you a wonderful movie night this upcoming weekend with this right here. You heard me. All right, let's make this popcorn. This pot's been heating up a little bit already. So once your pot gets a little hot, all you want to do is put in your oil. We have avocado oil here. And once it starts shimmering real good, and you see how it's coating the bottom of the pan like that, you just need a nice enough amount. You don't need too little, but you just need to have enough where it's moving around the bottom of the pot. Then once you get your popcorn seeds, you're gonna add those in. And you wanna cover the bottom of the pot. So you don't see any pot, just all seeds and oil. And once you get them in the pot, you want to swirl it around. Make sure they're all coated with oil real good like that. And once you hear that sound, you know that your oil is hot and your popcorn is ready to go. Now I got the luxury of a see-through top on here so I can actually watch the popcorn kernels pop. If you don't have that option, you're just gonna have to listen to it. But listening to the popcorn is the same as seeing it. It's gonna be the same thing. Once you hear the kernels start to slow down, then you know it's time to end your cooking. But yeah, I used to make popcorn for my family all the time growing up. I was the main person to make it because it was like the first thing I ever learned how to cook was popcorn. And once I learned how to do it, I just did it all the time. So this is something I've been cooking since I was like 8 years old, something like that. But I just love house popcorn versus microwave popcorn, just a totally different experience. Okay, so you hear how it's popping, it's speeding up. You can see through this lid that it's trying to fill up. Every time this pot fills up all the way, what you want to do is remove some of the already cooked popcorn and then get right back on stirring your pot, because you got to keep it moving. If you leave it alone too long, you're gonna have burned popcorn, and burned popcorn is very nasty. Don't taste good. That ain't what you want. It'll ruin your whole experience. So as you can see, it's filling up, and I'm gonna let some of it out. Now I'm gonna get back over here, shake it a little bit. I'm gonna take some of this topping oil, put a little bit on there, as well as a little bit of salt. We don't want to do too much. We're just trying to layer the flavors as we go. As your popcorn gets done, we're gonna dump it out. All right. Spin it around. Put your little topping oil on there. Get you a little salt. Shake it. And then go back to your popcorn. And you build in flavor the whole time. And if you do it just like I do, see how you don't hear anything else? That lets you know it's done. Turn off this fire, because now with the heat off, we're going to melt our butter. You don't want your pot to be on while you melt this butter, because it's going to make it burn. It's not going to taste as good as you want it to taste, and it'll make it split too. So just put the lid back on and let it just melt naturally. And while that is melting, we're going to put a little more of this topping oil on here. Get you a little more salt. And we're going to toss it. You know, and the more you do this, the more you're going to learn how much you want to add or subtract from the recipe, because everybody's different. But you can't go wrong with diamond crystal salt. And you can't go wrong with this layering. Just layer as you go. That way it won't be so hard to season it. If you wait till all the popcorn is done and you try to season it, then it's not gonna work. Okay. So now my butter's all the way pretty much melted. That's what it's gonna look like, y'all, right there. If it turns a little brown, that's good, because when you got brown butter, it has a nice nutty flavor to it, which is good. You're just gonna spread that whole half a stick over your popcorn, and then you're gonna toss it again. And popcorn is gonna get on the floor. That's just part of it, but that don't matter. This popcorn good. We finna try this popcorn right now. This is taste time right now. We ain't gotta wait. It's ready to roll right now. So let me get a little bit. That's good right there. I probably put a little more salt on there, but I'm satisfied with the overall flavor of this popcorn. It's very simple, as you can see. Looks good, good and seasoned. You can have this for any get-together, any movie night. It's what you want. Like I said, it ain't healthy, but it's good. If you want to indulge with your family and friends, this the kind of popcorn you want. You don't want no microwave popcorn. You want this right here. So y'all give it a shot at home. I know some of y'all gonna be scared, but I know what? Some of y'all gonna do it. You hear me? You heard me.